Hello everyone. In this demo video, I will be showcasing you Zoho CRM sales order synchronization in S/4HANA Public Cloud. So I am in the Zoho CRM environment and I will be creating a new sales order which will be synchronized to SAP S/4HANA Public Cloud. So for that reason, I am going to create a new sales order in Zoho CRM with the existing account and contact details, also with the product information. Both of the systems or both of the account and contact and the product informations are available in both the systems in Zoho CRM as well as in the SAP S/4HANA Public Cloud. So let's say I'm adding the subject line as Tech Ventures Sales Order. And then I will choose the account name. Then I will have the contact person details. And this is the address informations which are available over here as well. Now for the product information, I will add a two line item over there. This is one of the product. Let's say I'm adding the quantity by 3. And let me add another row and I will add another product. And let's say this quantity is 5. Now I will place this order in Zoho CRM. As you can see that the sales order has been successfully created in Zoho CRM. To synchronize that, I have developed one of the workflow by which the data will be synchronized from Zoho CRM to public cloud. To synchronizing the sales order from Zoho CRM to SAP S/4HANA Public Cloud, I am using appse AI to develop this workflow. What I will do, I will just have the UTC time, which is 129, and will sync that from there. So let me change the date and let me have the time over there. I am going with 125 and now I will execute this. Now I will go back to the SAP S/4HANA Public Cloud and showcase you the sales order synchronized. So I'm going to this internal sales. From the manage sales order, I will have the Zoho's ID. So this is the ID generated via Zoho CRM for the sales order. And in the customer reference number, I will place it for filtering the data. And now, as you can see, that Tech Venture Solutions has been successfully synchronized as a sales order in S/4HANA Public Cloud. So if I just talk about this, we have the account information visible. We are maintaining the Zoho's sales order ID under this customer reference ID. If I scroll down a bit, you can be able to see we have both the line item which is visible here in the SAP S/4HANA Public Cloud with the exact quantity which is 3 and 5. And if you can see over here, we have the net value as 1055. If I go back to the Zoho CRM, you can be able to see that this is the exact total amount which has been also synchronized in the SAP S/4HANA Public Cloud. So this is how we can seamlessly integrate sales order from Zoho CRM to SAP S/4HANA Public Cloud. To explain you about this flow, we have some of the nodes, such as initially we are getting the Zoho CRM sales order from the Zoho CRM itself. After that, we are getting the product data from the Zoho CRM as the payload is not visible here in the Zoho CRM. That's why I'm getting the product data in the Zoho CRM itself. And then I'm filtering the data by which the external ID. So if I just take you through the configure filter, you will be seeing that there is a purchase order customer. That means if this ID is also available in the S/4HANA Public Cloud, then it will not generate the sales order. If that is not available, then only the sales order will be created in the public cloud. And after that, we have the decision node by which the sales order has been creating. And then we have the Airtable. So Airtable is basically using for lookup. So let's say your SAP S4HANA public cloud understand USD for the pricing, but your Zoho CRM is understanding dollar. To match the filters, to match the features in between both of the application, we can use Airtable. And after that, we are merging all the datas in the Airtable as well as from the product data. And after that, uh, we have the sales order creation node by which the data has been synchronized successfully there in the SAP S4HANA public cloud. So this is how you can create sales order in Zoho CRM and synchronize to SAP S4HANA public cloud with all those information.